How to recover Bank of America account. Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode on Quick Guide. In today's video, I will guide you to recover Bank of America account. So if you also want to learn the exact process on how to recover Bank of America account, then follow and watch this video until the very end. Now firstly, open any web browser on your device and there search for bankofamerica.com. Now once you search for it, you will be landed to its official homepage. Now from there, tap on login button at the top right of your screen. Now again tap on continue to login button. Now type in your user ID. Now if you want to save ID, then leave this slider as it is, but if you don't want to save ID here, then tap on this slider. Now to recover your Bank of America account, tap on forget ID/password link. Now you have to enter your card or account number last 6 digits here, and after that you have to type in your social security number or tax ID number here. And once you're done with it, tap on continue button. And once you tap on continue button, new page will open where you have to create a new password for your Bank of America account. And then you have to re-enter that password and then tap on continue button. And once you tap on it, your password will be changed and your Bank of America account will be recovered. Now that was the quick and simple process on recovering Bank of America account. I hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.